What's the meaning of adjudicate? Adjudicate. 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 Adjudicate means to make an official decision or judgment in a legal or formal dispute. In the end, the result of adjudication should be a clear and final determination of the issue at hand. This process is typically carried out by a judge, arbitrator, or other neutral third party who carefully considers all relevant evidence and arguments presented by both sides of the dispute before making a ruling. The goal of adjudication is to provide a fair and impartial resolution to the conflict, which can help the parties involved move forward and avoid further disagreements.